In the midst of the excitement of Pixel 3, the Home Hub, and wireless headsets with wireless connection now connected, it is possible that the third-generation Chromecast has been lost. So, how is it? Well, it's very similar to the previous one. Before we arrive, let's see the news. First, the hardware speed of the Chromecast has experienced a 15% improvement. It still supports 1080p video, but now you can see it at 60 frames per second. Google has also improved the Wi-Fi connection of the device, so the transmission should be more robust. In addition to this, Google has announced multi-room speaker support for the Chromecast. In other words, you can synchronize your music throughout the house. The feature will be removed later this year, but it is currently unclear if this will only work on the latest Chromecast or if previous models will also have the feature. Then, and this is an ad that will shatter you, now you can get it in two colors, chalk and coal. The most annoying part is the lack of 4K support. If you're desperate for this feature, you'll still have to buy the Chromecast Ultra. On the one hand, the decision makes sense because Google does not want to cannibalize its own range of products, but on the other, it is deeply irritating because we go, Google. As for the price, it's still $35. As for the look, it's still a circular thing hanging from an HDMI slot. As for the operation, you still need a phone to operate.